today I'm going to be making smoked cheese. I've overlaid my voice over this. Initially, so because it's going to be cold smoked, you want to take ice to keep the temperature down, especially when it's warm out. So I take a bag of ice here, I throw it in a dish, and then as soon as that's completed, I'm going to salt the ice here. Now, salting the ice allows for it to melt at a lower temperature and thus distribute more of the heat. The two cheeses that are going to be done are Cheddar and Mozzarella. They're both Armstrong brand. Very yummy. So when you're doing the cold smoking, you don't actually use, you don't set the pellets on fire in the actual smoker. Use what's called a smoke cylinder to produce the smoke. This is lit up pretty good and then allowed to stay lit for about 5 minutes until it goes out. Once it goes out, it actually produces an absolute ton of smoke. So I'm just going to leave that for now. So, while that's being waited for to die down, I'm going to place the cheese on the right side of the smoker and the ice cubes in the center. The smoke tube is going to be placed on the left side. The idea here is to have a thermal barrier in the form of ice between the smoke tube and the cheese. I'm still waiting for the smoke tube to go out at this point, so I'll only be putting the cheese and the ice into the smoker just to bring the temperature down. Yeah, I did kind of whack the side. There is no damage, I checked. The smoke cylinder is placed on the grill, and the grill is shut for about 2 hours to just allow the smoke to build up and for the flavor to enter the cheese. Okay, so the cheese is wrapped, very standard procedure, same way you do in a cheese shop, ignore me fumbling. This has been sped up by about 10% due to the length of shorts only being 3 minutes, sorry to say. But it's allowed to rest in the fridge overnight for about a day. The butcher's paper allows air in and out, but not moisture. This allows the oils on the surface of the cheese to reabsorb. After 1 day, it's transferred to parchment paper and wrapped in saran wrap for a total of 1 week per hour smoke. In this case, it's going to be about 2.5 weeks. So I'll report back then.